Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we'll be doing the exercises on the modal auxiliary verb will and shall. If you have missed out the explanation of the will and shall, you can see using the link that is given in the description box. So without any further ado, let us get started with today's lesson. So the basic use of will is something that you intend to do in the future, that you are going to do in the future. Okay, whereas the shall is a lighter obligation that you may do it in the future. Okay, something that you may do. Okay, so in the first exercise you have to complete the following sentences using I will plus one of these verbs that is given in the help box below. So let us see the first example. My bag is very heavy, I will carry it for you. For example, you ask, you tell your parents, my bag is too heavy. Your parents will respond that I will carry it for you. Okay, enjoy your day, thank you dash you a postcard. So enjoy your day. Okay, so enjoy your holiday, sorry. So the next person is saying thank you and I will send you a postcard, something that you intend to do. I don't want this banana. So the next person is saying that, well, I'm hungry, I will eat it. Do you want a chair? No, it's okay, I will sit on the floor. Did you phone Jenny? Oh no, I forgot, I will do it now. Are you coming with me? No, I don't think so, I will stay here. How do you use this camera? Give it to me and I will show you. So now in this you have to complete the sentences using I think or I don't think plus one of the verbs that is given in the bracket in the help box. It's cold today, I don't think I'll go out. I'm hungry, I dash something to eat. I think I will have something to eat. I feel tired, I don't think so. I don't think so, I'll play. This camera is too expensive, I don't think I'll buy it. Now in these you have to in the next exercise you have to tick mark or the circle the right one. You have to write the full sentence and you have to circle the right one, and you may color also. I'll phone you tomorrow. Okay, so the correct one is I'll phone you tomorrow, something that you're intending to do. I haven't done the shopping yet, I do or I'll do it later. The right option is I'll do it later, because I do is a verb in the simple present tense. I like sport, I'll watch a lot of sport on TV. So something that you do and you regularly do that, so you use a simple present tense. I watch a lot of sport on TV. I need some exercise, I think I'll go for a walk, something that you are intending to do. Okay, I think I'll go for a walk. Jim is going to buy or will buy a new car. He told me the last week. So the correct answer is Jim is going to buy a new car, he told me last week. This letter is for Rose. Okay, I'll give, I'm going to give it to her. I will give it to her, I'll give it to her. Will you do anything in this evening? So are you doing anything this evening? So sometimes you use as I've told you in the present continuous tense, sometimes you use present continuous to talk about the future. Okay, yes, I'm going, I'll go out with some friends. So the answer is I'm going out with some friends, something that you're doing now. Okay, in the next exercise you have to write the sentences with shall I, and you have to choose the word from box A and box B and combine sentences and write. It's very warm in the room. It's very warm in this room. Shall I open the window? The next person will say. There are two people here, right? This program isn't very good. So the answer can be, shall I turn off the television? I'm hungry. Shall I make some sandwiches? Question mark. It's dark in this room. Shall I turn on the light? Question mark. Okay. The next also talks about the same. You have to write the sentences that shall be by choosing box A and box B. Let's go out. tonight. Okay, what time shall we meet? Let's have a holiday. Where shall we go? Let's spend some money. Let's spend some money. Okay, what can be the answer? Okay, what are we going to buy? Okay, what shall we buy? Let's have a party. Okay, who shall we invite? Who shall we invite? Okay, so yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.